you're experiencing issues with the Overwatch 2 installation loop, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Overwatch 2. This includes checking your operating system, CPU, RAM, and graphics card specifications. Step 2. Restart your computer. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve installation issues. Restart your computer to clear any temporary files or processes that may be interfering with the installation. Step 3. Disable antivirus and firewall. Temporarily disable your antivirus software and firewall as they may block the installation process. Remember to re-enable them after the installation is complete. Step 4. Run the battle. Net Launcher as administrator. Right-click on the battle Net Launcher and select Run as administrator. This can help bypass any permission issues that may be causing the installation loop. Step 5. Repair the game files. Open the battle Net Launcher, go to the Overwatch 2 tab and click on Options. Select Scan and Repair to fix any corrupted files that could be causing the installation loop. If you follow these steps carefully, you should be able to resolve the installation loop issue and enjoy playing Overwatch 2.